All right, let's unbox this Maverick Factory R. See what we have here. I did get it shipped directly from Parajet over in the UK, and it's like the fourth motor I had shipped. And I tell you what, the guys are pretty good. It gets here relatively quickly. I ordered this one from Superfly, and man, I tell you that Chris and his crew are pros. These guys give you the best prices, or at least they did when I was shopping around. I noticed that they had the best prices going. Also, man, they stay up in tune when Parajet gets behind on their deliveries, or the Vittorazi factory is shut down or on vacation. They let you know. But anyway, I'm gonna unbox this bad boy and see what we have here. The whole idea today is unbox, set up, and break it in. I'm hoping to get a flight in tonight, possibly, or tomorrow. And then go from there. Here. All right. There's the tool kit. That must be dirt jersey, they call it. Okay. Some sort of jersey. Size 6, looks a little tiny. But we'll see. And then we have tools, instruction book. As expected. Pull that out. Wow, man, that thing is tip top. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to put the phone down here just to pull this thing out, and we'll go from there. All right, I got this thing out of the box. I did order the black frame on this one. Oh, she looks amazing. Wow. Go, left-handed throttle, yep, perfect, as ordered. I did sell my last Maverick. It was a MY, well, my original, I should say, not my last one, but my original I sold. It's an MY 19, and had about just a little over 105 hours on it, and it ran amazing. It was just a tip-top machine. I can't complain. Carbureted, it ran great, and pretty much just did the standard maintenance on it that the factory calls for. I always ran, sometimes I actually even didn't always run Rec 90. Sometimes I ran 93 in it, and it never had a hiccup. The thing ran continuously. I one time adjusted the carburetor probably at about 25 hours, and that was it. Never even replaced the belt on my old one. Probably should have, but it ran amazing, and when it's running, why mess with it? Never had an engine out in it, knock on wood. So I decided to go just a little bit lighter on this one, and just newer, so I don't have to break the engine down or do any heavy maintenance as the factory calls for. See what else we have in here. There's the cap, fuel cap, and no, fancy. They put a little bit of a design on the prop. Both of them, yeah, on both sides. Looks nice, E-prop. And I do like the travel case, simply because I've shipped at FedEx before. UPS, it's quite easy to do. Get it together, drain all the fuel out, stick it in that bad boy, and send it on its way to wherever you're going, Salton Sea, Florida fly-ins, anything like that. All right, that's what we have. And I guess I have to slowly get it together and then do my first start and break in. Thanks. Okay, so as I was going over a few things, I wanted to see where the parts are. I couldn't find them in the big bag, so I decided to look in here. Looks like here are the parts of what we need. Toolkit. There's that. Let's get that. What do we have here? Spark plug to help with the prop in the back. And that's it. Okay, perfect. Well, little Velcros. Attach it to the bag if you have to. So I'm liking what we see here, and now it's time to slowly get this guy together. I'm a little weird, so I kind of clean up in the process so I don't have a bunch of junk everywhere. I keep it all together here. I'm actually kind of curious with this thing, I'm sure. Maverick. Looks like it's the same thing as the prop. Same design, same picture rather. It's interesting they give you a couple sets of bolts. All right, that's it for now. And oh, I did drop the seat down just to take a quick peek. I never had the actual paramotor throttle, like Parajet throttle, like this. And the bummer is I don't have the an hour gauge on here like I had on my old one. Hour and RPM, but it's all right. The good old clock works. Watch. I like that. Looks like that's carbon fiber now. Huh. Very cool. Excellent. All right, we'll be back shortly.